Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Roup token. Now the Roup token just got a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings. We're going to go over a couple of them. We're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the name of the token is Roup. That is also the ticker symbol. This is a BRC20 token. BRC20 tokens are very popular these days. Now, Roup is short for Roll Upper, and their webpage is rollupper.xyz. To find the English webpage, you're going to have to put rollupper.xyz/en. On the page, you can change the language to at least 10 different languages on there. They have an application you can launch, and you can find that at app.rollupper.xyz. They have a Twitter that I'm going to put right on the screen here at BRC20 Roup. And then their Telegram is at BRC20 Mapo Roup. So anyways, you can find both of those on their webpage. Is probably the easiest way to find their socials. Just go over there. Their Telegram's doing pretty well. They have 2,308 members. 115 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the conversation. So this project probably has a few different tokens here. So where it says Mapo Roup on their Telegram. If you go to the Telegram, it has Roup, Mapo, STST, LSGS. So those are all like the ticker symbols basically for BRC20 tokens. I would assume, I believe I have seen at least 2 or 3 of those tokens listed. I don't know if I've done videos on any of those other tokens, but those seem to be those 4 tokens are part of the same project here. So Mapo, Roup, STST, and LSGS. Probably all brought to you by the same dev or same team. You can check out their block explorer basically at ordinalswallet.com. And yeah, so what is this project all about? It says Roup is the key channel for BRC20 assets on Bitcoin Layer 2 cross-chain trading, initiated by the community and with revenues fed back to the community. Roup adopts MAP protocol's BRC201 standard, so that's where Mapo comes in, which is a secure cross-chain solution that inscribes the bridging details on top of Bitcoin and can be traced thoroughly. Rolling up BRC20 tokens to MAP protocol's second layer transactions will save users more than 100 times the gas fee costs. So that's pretty cool. Now, this token, we'll go over the first easiest way to get this token, and then there's a couple other ways too. So this token just got listed January 12th, which was yesterday, on a central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on Coinex, and then simply just buy the token. Now, just recently, it also got a different central exchange listing on Poloniex. So that's a different central exchange. You can get it off Poloniex. That one was Let's see here. It looks like December 12th. I'll have to click on it here. January 12th. So yeah, that one is already available on Poloniex. And I believe that I just saw today a brand new announcement that it's getting an Lbank listing as well. So that's a new one here. If we go to Lbank, we could find the new listing announcements. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. I thought it did. Could be on here somewhere. But yeah, a bunch of brand new central exchange listings anyways. I thought Lbank was one of them. Maybe it was Bitmart. Let's try Bitmart real quickly here. But so far, Coinex Global for sure. That's in the description box down there. Poloniex. And yeah, there was one other one anyways. It could have been Lbank. But I can't fully remember exactly which one it was. But anyways, let's get to the information on this project. It's a BRC20 token. It says Roup is owned by the community. Roup is the key channel for rolling up BRC20 assets on Bitcoin Layer 2 trading, initiated by the community and revenues going back to the community. It's got cutting-edge technology, so reducing BRC20 transaction gas fees by a factor of 100. It possesses cutting-edge technology that sets it apart from any centralized BRC20 bridge using multi-signature technology. That's because Roll-Upper adopts MAP's BRC201 standard, which is a secure cross-chain solution that inscribes the bridging details on top of Bitcoin and can be traced thoroughly. Rolling up BRC20 tokens to MAP protocol's second layer transactions will save users more than 100 times the gas fees. It's got fair token distribution, so fairly launched through inscription before roll-upper projects that adopted a fair launch of BRC20 tokens were basically meme coins with a few, if any, dApps, or they were issued on ERC20, with development teams and VCs getting a large number of unfair tokens first. However, Roll-Upper is one of the few fairly launched BRC20 tokens with a use case. So Roup is Roll-Upper's BRC20 platform token with a total assurance of 2.1 billion tokens, and each engraving is limited to 10,000 tokens. The BRC20 community is a community-built ecosystem, and the vast member base is key to the success of the token and the project. In a sense, the larger the scale of engraving, the more success each member of the community will have. So they have dazzling BRC20 tokenomics. Revenue will buy back tokens from destruction until deflation to the last token. And then they have the dual token. So they have the Mapo token in this ecosystem and the Roup token as well. That's just what I thought. So, yeah, they set up the test net here. They're going to have BTC cross-chain. They have MAP. They have MAP protocol second layer. And, yeah, they're going to do stability testing, fixing bugs, stuff like that coming up. So check this all out. Rollupper.xyz is the webpage. And you can find this token newly listed on a bunch of different central exchanges, but one of them is Coinex Global. You can find a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.